draw some like a river kind of. So as you see, I draw like a small little river. I am going to have a tree in the background. Like that. And I'm going to draw the branches now, the trunk. Like that. And I'm going to add some bushes. There you go. Now, I have like a small leaf, a big leaf. So first, what I'm going to do is fold this leaf, fold this leaf like this. And now I did like this. I got the bottom and this top part to fold and touch each other to have. And now I'm going to fold this bottom part upward like this, making a boat. So I'm going to stick this boat here, but before I do, I'm going to use my scissors because the top part is a little longer, so I'm going to cut it. This, I'm going to stick it there. So for that, I'm going to need a lot of glue. So I'm just going to use a piece of tape. To stick it. There. Voila. Now the boat is going to sail away. So guys, if you like my ideas, so please subscribe, share, comment, and like. And also give me some ideas what to do in my next video. I could be doing that on my next video. I'm going to use your ideas. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like. Yeah, I already took on. So, bye guys.